Now the best way to plant pepper is to plant it 3 feet by 3 feet. When you plant your crop here, make sure you have 3 feet this side and 3 feet this side. You better plant it in a row, plant it in a line, and make sure you are spacing it 3 feet by 3 feet. You can tie a rope and then you can follow the line of the rope to make sure you are planting your pepper in a line. And then you can skip 3 feet, plant your next plant 3 feet, and then plant your other plant. And also have 3 feet on the left, and then you can do another line. And then the best thing you can practice is to get millet, bulrush millet, and then you can plant it at the edges of your plantation, because when you do that, it will help protect your garden. Or you can use tobacco. When you plant it at the edges of your garden, it will trap all the sorts of insects that might want to make their way into your garden. And when you do that, it will help you protect your garden from so many attacks, insects that will cause you to be spraying heavily. So when you plant that tobacco or millet at the edges of your garden, it will help you use less sprays during the time of growing your pepper.